Here we go again now, heading for the end now. Better pull the front now. Tripping out, I can't help thinking. Time to leak a sinking, standing on the brink. Can't escape. I'm loving this. I've been here before, closing in like a thunderstorm show. And this is gonna hurt like hell. Been trying to catch the